Good evening, today is June 23rd, and welcome to the 7th edition of Powerslide. In today's car news, with the end of the pandemic due to many getting their vaccine, as did I, people are getting back to normal, and part of getting back to normal is taking off our masks for the first time. At Toyota manufacturing plants, there's a new policy coming in July. Starting July 5th for Missouri and Tennessee plants, and on July 12th for Plato, Texas, Indiana, and Kentucky plants, Toyota North America has announced that vaccinated workers, with some requirements, will no longer have to wear masks at work. The workers will have to submit proof of vaccination and wear a company marker, but will be able to go to work without the need for a mask. However, in other states, the company will continue to follow state guidelines and have their workers wear masks until it is deemed okay to continue with the policy there. For office workers, however, they still get to sit at home as they have not been asked to come back quite yet. Toyota executives are claiming that they've also seen increased efficiency from office home workers having office workers at home. While some have returned to their offices, not all teams are back and still they are subject to public health protocols. But further, Toyota is offering a $100 incentive for employees to get the vaccine. Personally, at a company I used to previously work for, they offered us a few bucks as well, and they also paid for our time to go and get the vaccine, which they argue is 30 minutes, but let's be honest, there's no line out there that is, less than 30 minutes. Personally, I think this is a good thing. I think it's good that we're getting back to normal, and I think it's a good incentive for those who are getting vaccinated to be able to get back to normal, essentially. I understand that wearing a mask and stuff is very important for those who are not vaccinated yet. But for those who are vaccinated, I do believe that that was one of the selling points of us getting the vaccine was, we could take off the masks, we didn't need the lockdowns, the whole 9 yards. And I think that this is good. I also think it's great that they're paying them to go and get it because, they're taking time out of their personal day, and $100 is often as much as someone makes in a day. So I think that's a really great idea. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that it's a great idea? Do you guys think that maybe we should continue to use masks more often? Do you think that these masks are going to become more part of our culture like they are in East Asia? Anyway, leave the comments down in the comment section. I hope to read them, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.